So hello devs, hope you all are doing pretty well. It's been a long since we met. Last time I was working on my RDP project in which I was talking about how TeamViewer and any desk kind of application was working. So if you are really interested in that kind of project, so you can go and you can check my YouTube channel, and there resides one RDP named playlist. You can check all the videos will be there, and if you are having any query you can comment it out below and I will be for sure replying. So let's discuss about our today's topic. So what is our aim for today? What I am going to do, I am going to create a table. That table is not a normal HTML table. This table contains some functionalities like searching, sorting and filtering. So for that reason we are going to use Jquery plugin. That plugin name is datatable. I am going to divide this video in two portions. First of all, I am going to extract, I am going to grab the JSON file from our server. How we are going to create a table? So first of all, one thing should come in our mind. We are not going to do any hard coding for that. I am going to upload the JSON file. I will show you this JSON file in server, and from there I am going to extract it. I am going to grab it in my JavaScript code, and then I am going to plot a table which is having some sort of functionality which already I discussed. Okay, let me go to Chrome and I will go to Go file. Okay, so you better open this Go file, upload file, click here and then try to upload it. So it's being uploaded, almost it is done. Yeah, so go to this downloadable link, and what I will suggest you, right click on this and copy this link, because this link consists of our JSON file and we are going to use it in our code. So let's open our Sublime text editor. You have seen this is the JSON format, so kindly notice this once how I am going to write. Okay, so this is our JSON. I am going to create a new file, that save it as table.html. okay, so we have to include some CDN here. First of all, data table CDN, you come here. So if see what is the thing here, I am going to use it from server, but if you are interested, you can download it and then you can include it in your project. So for the time being I am going to use this CDN. See a datatable min.css and datatable min.js. okay, so already I am having some CDN. This 4 CDN I will be using. So first of all I will copy paste it over here, and then again this 2 more CDN you have to paste. Okay, let me paste this one. One more we have to paste. Okay, so after mentioning this all 3 CDN, we have to start our script tag and remove this all. Okay, now we have to write our $symbol $document. So when our file will be ready, then this function will be called document.ready, and then we will create one function. Okay, and as I told you, we have to grab that file which we have uploaded it in our server, this one. First of all I will copy this link. Already I told you to copy this link, and then you create one constant, and I will be naming it as table equal to, and then again where you want to display this table, so for their ID you have to write. Okay, so that table ID you have to write. I will be writing here, for the time being I will be writing ID of table. I will be changing this name when I will be doing the second part. So ID of the table, and then you have to write dot data table. Again you close this too. So what you have to do here, you have to use s ajax source, and then you have to paste that link. Okay, then comma, and again you have to mention column, and then you have to write data and all the attribute which you have already mentioned there. So what are all the attributes which we have given here? You can see name, age, gender, So name is like Pinky. This is given by my friend. She likes this name very much, so I have included it here. Okay. So again, I'll be copying this one. Remove this name, age, and gender. So this is all about our first task. First part is finished here. So as I told you, I will be giving a very crispy solution on this. So you are going to grab all the data in this table, okay, and this all thing which you have written. Now coming to the second part, we have to create a table where we are going to display this all data. Okay, so coming to the next segment, so what we will be doing now in the second part, we will be going to create a body first of all, and inside that body I will be creating one division, and I will be giving some class as container, and then in that I will be mostly creating a table, as already we have discussed, table, and then inside that table head we have created, then table row, that cell name we have to give table header. So th tag will use th, and that is see here, name, age, and gender we have written. So you can use anything here, but we have to mention name, age, and gender. Okay, so three things we have mentioned here. Now everything is working fine, and here you can see why I left it over here. ID of table we have to give. So what ID we have given for table is not reflected here, so I will give ID equal to what ID we can give, data table. We will give data table. You can give it anything, it's up to you. For ID you have to use hash, and for class you have to use dot, as you know already. So we will be using hash, and what is the ID? ID is data table. So this is all about our code, which is done, as I have promised that this will be very crispy and clear solution. So now let's save this, and what we have to do, we have to open our file and let's run in our Google Chrome. Oops, what is this? Name, age, and gender is coming. Where is our table? Let us inspect. So I have found the problem here. You can say data table I have written, but it should be in capital letter. And now you save it and go here and then run it, refresh it. So you can see we are getting our all the data. So you can see this is not looking that nice because age is here and all things are aligned over this side, left side. But what I have to do, I have to align it over same side. Everything should look very precisely. So for that I have to use another CDN, that is Bootstrap. Okay, so that's why I left it for you guys, that in last I will show it to you. And again you just paste that. I will be providing this all 4 CDN in my description. You can take it from there. So you should not rush in any website for searching it. Let's save this. Okay, and come here again, refresh. See, if you are able to see, you can see this, how this all things are there. Now if I will refresh it, you will see the changing. Mostly you will see this previous button will get changed, this will be aligned properly, and everything will be changed because of that Bootstrap. So refresh this, and now you can see name aligned with a single sort, age in a single sort, previous and one. Now it is looking quite precise. Okay, now you are getting to know the use of this one CDN, that is the Bootstrap CDN. Okay, so now I will show you. If suppose if I will search for Ravi, R-A-V-A, see, you are able to search. If you will search Sneh, you will be getting S. Then wherever S will be there, Sony, Sneh, Avinash, S will be reflected back. Okay, so let me remove this. This is pagination. If you want to, like, if you have to include 25 pages, because since I am not having that 25 data, only I am having 7 data, so there is no need of this pagination and all. So if you are having millions of data, then it will be useful for you. And now you can see here sorting is based on name. If I will be pressing here, okay, see, S is coming first, then R, P, I, and A will be in last. This is the descending order, and then again ascending. Now age, you can see 99 and 20. These all are in descending order, and again this all are in descending order, sorry, and this is in the ascending order. Again, for gender also you can do the things. So this is all about today's tutorial. But in next tutorial, what I am going to give a pictorial representation. I will be going to create a graph. I'll be going to create like pie chart, or you can say high chart, like that kind of stuff I am going to make in the next videos. So stay tuned with me, and if you really like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe. Thank you.